Myself, Dr. Amarnath Shetty, professor in IIT Civil Department. We will explain water supply and treatment engineering model for softening, explain softening and types of softening. Very important. What is softening? Okay, softening and types of this one. Okay, what are the two types of softening? Precipitation or softening process are used to reduce the raw water hardness, alkalinity, silica, and other constituents. It helps to prepare the water for direct use as cooling tower, makeup, or first stage treatment, followed by ion exchange for boiler makeup or process use. The water is treated with a lime or combination of lime and soda ash carbonate ion. This chemical reacts with the hardness and natural alkalinity in a water form of insoluble compounds. The compound precipitate and the removal form of the water sedimentation and usually filtration. Water with moderate high hardness and alkalinity concentration 150 to 500 ppm as CaCO3 are often treated as this fashion. Okay, this is softening. Softening is the process of removal of hardness, alkalinity, silica, and other constituents. Okay, this helps to prepare for direct use of as cooling tower, makeup, or first aid treatment followed by ion exchange for boiler, makeup, or process used. Okay, there are different types. I will explain this temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Temporary hardness can be it can be removed by boiling and lime soda thing. Okay, permanent hardness, we have the process of permanent hardness. Okay, excess of hardness led to following effect. Very important. If the in the water hardness is more, following effect, large soap consumption in washing and bathing. Okay, large soap consumption in washing and bathing. Okay. Second one, fabric when washed become rough and strained with the precipitate. Okay. Fabric when washed become rough and strained with the precipitate. Okay. Third one, hard water not fit for industrial use like textile, paper making, dye and ice cream manufacturing. The precipitate clog the pores of skins and make the skin rough. Precipitate can shock the pipeline and values. It forms scales in the boiler tube and reduce the efficiency. Very hard water is not palatable. Okay, these are the hardness led to following effect. Loss of consumption in washing and bathing. Fabric when washed become rough and strained with the precipitate. Hard water not fit for industrial use like textiles, paper making, dye and ice cream manufacturing. Precipitate clog and porous of the skins and make the skin rough. Precipitate can chop the pipeline and values. It forms scales in the boiler tubes and reduce their efficiency. Very hard water is not palatable. Okay. Now hardness of the water. Hardness in water prevent the formation of sufficient foam when it is used with a soap. It causes by certain dissolved salt of calcium and magnesium with the form of some with the soap and reduce the formation of the foam, which help in removing direct foam clothes. This salt keep on depositing on the surface boiler and thus form a layer known as scale which reduce the efficiency of the boiler. There are two types of hardness. Okay, there are two types of hardness. Removing the hardness. First one, temporary hardness. Okay, and permanent hardness. Two types. First, temporary and permanent hardness. Okay, temporary hardness. It is due to the bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium. Okay, and this can be easily removed by boiling water and adding the lime. Okay, by boiling the carbon dioxide gas, escape the insoluble carbonate as deposited, which causing scaling. Okay, CaHCO3 2 heat gives CaCO3 down, CO2 up, and H2O. Okay, and MgHCO3. Okay, heat MgCO3 down, CO2 up, H2O. Addition of lime CaHCO3 to CaOH2 to CaCO3 down plus H2O MgHCO3 2. This is the addition of lime CaHCO3 2 plus CaOH2 gives C2CaCO3 down plus 2H2O. Okay, MgHCO3 2 plus CaOH2 gives CaCO3 plus MgCO3 2H2. These are the two types for the temporary hardness by heating, by adding the lime. Now we go for the permanent hardness. Okay, if the sulfate, chloride, nitrates is present, they cannot be used, easily removed by the boiling, and such water softening method is a type of hardness is known as permanent hardness. This is mainly removed by xylite method. Okay, permanent hardness cannot be easily removed by the boiling and adding the lime. Okay, it can be removed by the xylite process or any other process. Also, we will study water softening. In the most every raw water supply, hardness is present as calcium magnesium bicarbonate, often referred to by carbonate hardness or temporary hardness. These compounds result from the action of acidic carbonate laden rainwater or natural occur minerals in the earth, okay, such as limestone. Example, CO2 plus H2O, H2CO3, carbon dioxide, water, carbonic acid, okay. H2CO3 carbonic acid plus CaCO3 calcium carbonate gives CaHCO3 2 calcium bicarbonate. Okay. Hardness may be present in sulfate or chloride salt, referred as non-carbonate or permanent hardness. This salt is caused by mineral acid present in rainwater or solution, okay, of naturally occurring acid material. The significance of carbonate or temporary hardness is concentrated to the non-carbonate or permanent hardness is former may be reduced in concentration simply by heating it. In effect, heating reverses the solution reaction. Okay, CaHCO3 2 calcium bicarbonate plus heat. Okay, gives calcium carbonate CaCO3 minus plus water H2O plus CO2 carbon dioxide. A reduction of non-carbonate hardness by contact requires chemical additions. A combination of lime and soda ash along with the coagulant or focculant chemical is added to raw water, promote the precipitation reaction. This allows the softening take place. Okay. Removal of the permanent hardness one by one will go. First on lime soda process. Okay. Lime soda process. Okay. The precipitation accomplished and ambient temperature is referred to the cold lime softening when hydrated lime COOH2 is added to water being treated following reaction. Okay, CO2 carbon dioxide plus CaOH2 calcium hydroxide CaCO3 minus calcium carbonate plus water. Okay, CaH3 2 calcium carbonate plus CaOH2 calcium hydroxide gives 2CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus water. Okay, MgHCO3 2 magnesium bicarbonate 2ACOH2 calcium hydroxide gives MgOH2 magnesium hydroxide plus 2CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus water 2H2O. If the proper chemical control maintained on the lime feed, the calcium hardness may be reduced 3 to 50 ppm. Magnesium reduction is the function of the amount of hydroxyl alkalinity access maintained. Okay. Non-carbonate permanent calcium hardness is if present not affected by the treatment with the lime alone. If the non-carbonate magnesium hardness is present in an amount greater than 70 ppm and excess of hydroxyl alkalinity is about 5 ppm is maintained, the magnesium will be reduced about 70 ppm, but the calcium will be increased the proportion of the magnesium reduction. Okay. For example, in a cold lime treatment of the water contain 110 ppm of calcium, 95 ppm magnesium, at least 110 ppm of alkalinity. Calcium could be theoretically be reduced 35 ppm and magnesium is about 70 ppm. However, of addition of 25 ppm of calcium would be expected in a treating water due to the following reaction. MgSO4 CaO2 magnesium sulfate plus carbon dioxide gives MgO2 minus magnesium hydroxide plus calcium sulfate CaSO4. Okay. MgCl2 magnesium chloride plus calcium CaOH2 gives MgOH2 magnesium hydroxide plus CaCO2 calcium hydroxide. To improve the magnesium reduction, which is improved silica reduction in cold process of softening, sodium aluminate is used. Sodium aluminate provides hydroxyl ion needed to improve magnesium reduction without increasing calcium hardness. In treated water, in addition to hydroxyl of sodium aluminate in result formation of aluminum hydroxide which for formation sludge bracket condition and silica reduction. The reaction is Na2Al2SO4 sodium aluminate 4H2O water aluminum hydroxide plus sodium hydroxide gives magnesium sulfate chloride plus sodium hydroxide equal to magnesium hydroxide plus sodium chloride. Okay, soda ash may be used to improve the hardness in a non-carbonate. Okay, this is sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate plus sodium sulfate equal to calcium carbonate plus sodium sulfate. Okay, calcium carbonate plus sodium carbonate gives calcium carbonate and sodium chloride. Okay. However, non-carbonate magnesium hardened cold process also softening gives magnesium plus calcium hydroxide, sodium chloride is magnesium, calcium, and sodium. Okay. This is about